Hey, alright guys, I welcome every one of you on board. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download video calls at Selar.co. For you to have these videos downloaded on your phone, instead of watching them on this Selar platform, you need a software to download this course, which is called IDM. This IDM has a free version. Likewise, it has a premium version, which is IDM Plus. In this video, I'm going to make use of the premium version of this software, which is called IDM Plus. If you need the links to get this software, check the description section where I will drop in the link on how to get this premium software. Okay, the first step for you to have this course download is to log into Selar.co on that IDM. This is the IDM, as you can see, IDM Plus. Click on it or search for Selar.co. After you might, okay, the next thing is for you to log into your account. Now, let me log into my account now. As I've logged into my account, the next thing is for you to locate where you have the course in which you want to download. I have access to the profitable Facebook and Instagram ads and marketing guides. Okay, now this is the course. Now click on access course. Now go to the course curriculum so that you can watch each of the courses now. Each of the videos now. The first thing is that the first video that you want to watch, just click on it. Everything you need to know about the course. Now just play the video for a few seconds. The video has been played for a few seconds. As you can see, there is something at the top right of this software that shows something like a download arrow, in which one is inscribed on it in red color. Click on it. Now you will show you the link of that course. Click on it. Now it will show as watch.selar.tx. Now you need to name the video in which you want to download with the name that you can recall, because if you try to click on each of the videos there, it will be showing the similar thing. The first thing is just for me to name it. Let me name it as intro. Okay, now click on start. Now just click on this three button and click on return to IDM Plus. As you can see now, the video is being downloaded. This is the first video under the course. We have numerous video under the course. This is the first video. Just click on this. Go back to your course curriculum. Now that course curriculum, we have downloaded the first module. Click on this drop down. You can click on for all this how to set up a Facebook page. That is for you to download the second video. Just follow the same prompts as we did for the first one. Now, as I told you, the first one showed watch.selar.tx. I told you need to name it with the name which you can recall, because if you try to leave it as watch.selar.tx, it will override the previous video in which you have downloaded. Just follow this prompt to have the video download. Let me name this one as second. Just leave the extension as .cs. Click on start. As you can see, it shows that download the link already exists. It means that I have a video in which I had named with seconds, because I have a video that have this thing download before. Just follow this prompt to have your video download on Selar. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.